This is a video by Richpin. We are working on this item today. Can anyone out there guess what it is? You know them, you love them. In most cases you hate these things. This is your typical electronic EGR valve. So what we're going to do today is we are going to see if we can take it apart and see what's inside of it. Now to me it looks like the black end cap should come off first. So that's what we will tackle. Okay, now did that snap off or did that break off? Looks like it snapped off. Okay, let's start by cutting this. Okay, we are cut all the way through. Let's see if we can. Oh yeah. There we go. Oops. We see some movement. What do we got here? Uh-huh. Look at that. So the spindle is connected to this sleeve. Alright. So let's take this off and take a look at it. Interesting. Oh, so that was a light press in there on this piece right here. Now she should come apart. Wow, look at the carbon on the end of that. Let's see if we can take this plate off here. Yikes. I guess we could. Look at that. There's a spring underneath there. Yep, sure did. Wow. So this has got to be a magnetic coil right here. Because that's all the EGR is, right? Electromagnet. What we're going to do is take our hacksaw and we're going to cut right through this plastic here. Hopefully we can get inside this piece. It's going to take a while. I found a coping saw cut through the plastic a lot quicker. I don't know if we're going to gain any access to the inside. Nope. All we did was cut off the metal part. Alright, I think we cut through most of the way. Wow, I see a spring in there. Oh, look at that. Whoop. The spring. This piece right here. Oop, my screwdriver. Oh, look at that. There's a couple contacts on that. Interesting. Alright, here's the last piece we haven't got into. There's where our 3 wires go into the unit. We're not going to get this piece out. Of course we can try. Holy crap! I did get it out. Look at that. Hopefully you can see those. I can see them. Shiny pieces right there. That's where the pins came into. And this piece right here made contact with them right there. Just like that. Boop. So there's 3 pins going in. They come in here, and then they go to this board right here, and actually you can see that path loops from side to side, and then this middle one is separate from the 2 sides. Wow. That is very interesting. That's it. We ripped that sucker totally apart. There is all the pieces from inside the EGR valve. Look at that stuff. Wow. So that's it. That's a look at the inside of your average exhaust gas recirculation valve.